For your convenience in the preparation and planning of the event, the platform allows you to bookmark items that are relevant or interesting for you. You can, for instance, bookmark exhibitors here, or you can choose some speakers that are interesting to you and bookmark them here. You have then an easy overview of all your different bookmarked items in the My Interzoo.digital section. This is your personal section. You can access that section either through the slider here or via the navigation bar on the left-hand side. Here you see your schedule, the speakers you have bookmarked, as well as the exhibitors.